The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Terrapin Springs, Florida out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Terrapin Springs to Suwannee River, Florida out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Terrapin Springs, Florida out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Terrapin Springs to Suwannee River, Florida out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles northeast of Cedar Key to 50 nautical miles west of Egmont Key, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source radar. Impact waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Azelo, D5 Reef, Clearwater Beach, Bayport, D2 Reef, Madeira Beach, Reef, Tarpon Springs, Yankeetown, Treasure Island Reef, Hernando Beach, Indian Shore Reef, St. Pete Beach Reef, D3 Reef, Johns Pass, Crystal River, D1 Reef, D4 Reef, Indian Rocks Beach, Dunedin, and Clearwater Pass. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.